Okay na ba?
Okay.
Basahin mo na yung bawat.
5 years ago, September 16, nung una tayong nag-usap ng seryoso sa likod ng McDo.
Ah,
And uh, we were two broken people
mm,
na nag-decide tayo na ano ba talagang gusto natin gawin. And sabi mo, kung gusto mong makawala dun sa shithole na kung nasan tayo ngayon, kailangan nating work out.
mm,
And madami tayong pinag-awayan. We
mm,
butted our heads multiple times. We wanted to get our own place. Nag-away tayo and we did. Nagbalak tayong kumuha ng kotse. Nag-away din tayo but we did. Gusto mag-travel.
gawin.
Nag-away ulit tayo and
Is
and
there
we did.
anyway?
And even tong event nito,
Ah,
uh, nag-away tayo but we still did. Hindi ganun ka-perfect yung araw na to. Umulan,
mm,
late yung lunch natin but nandito ka. And yun yung mahalaga. Alam mo naman yun na ikaw lang lagi. And may mga words ako na nasabi dati na hindi ko na mababawi. So, alam ko napatawad mo na ako but hayaan mo lang ako kung galit ako. Tapos alam mo by the end of the day magkakabati din tayo.
mm.
I love you. And here's to many more years na mag-aaway tayo.
And magbabate.
Ang kabate. Akin o yan? Ikaw, mahaba yun sa'yo.
Hindi yun.
Pride naman, pabigay.
Ah,
Sa akin pala, sorry. Okay, ako lang, kayo, stay lang kayo sa posisyon niyo.
Maambon. Ang haba.
oo nga
Seryoso ka
eh.
ba? Sabi ko
Hindi
na nga
naman,
ba kaya
pero
maiksi
ano.
yun sa akin eh.
Oo.
Yung
Pero
speech
hindi ka
hindi yung... Sige.
ang guluhan na lang.
Gusto mo ba
Ganyan
hawakan
muna.
ko?
Hindi, sige. Okay na yun. Ayan.
Huwag kang iyak, ang pangit mo umiyak.
Hindi ko itago. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Ayan. Who would have believed us na nag-meet lang sa Tinder? Na it's gonna get serious and it's gonna lead to something like this. Like this na forever. Sana nga. We started as friends, then we decided to try things out. I'm so glad that we have the same words coming out of our mouth right now. From friendly text pa lang, and then to naughty exchanges of messages. Naging drinking buddies tayo. I thought hindi na ako babalik sa lugar ninyo yung first time na yun. Kaya I even waved my hands high sa mga tanod dati dahil akala ko hindi na ako babalik sa lugar na yun. So, I thought it was okay to do that. But then, yung isang beses na yun led to another visit, and then another one, and then we just stayed together. Doon, we found out that we jive and groove together. Everything just seems so simple when we are together. Tuwing kasama kita, kausap kita, parang na-unburden ako. You are a very good listener and you always offer a solution to anything. Hindi ko kailangan sabihin yung problema ko sa'yo, but then, alam mo yun, you know when to say we need a solution to something, anything that comes up. Um, Sobrang strong mo na tao. I don't know if you realize that. And I feel so secure. Hindi ko kailangang sabihin kailangan mo kong i-secure kasi you do that anyway. Even if I feel like I don't deserve it. Ang dami kong fears. Pero, alam mo yun, you made me calm. Worries ko sa mga
Yeah.
anak ko. Well, you shared the burden with them. My burden with them. I'm really so thankful I met someone like you. I already gave up na I'm having a partner, but then God, I think God still blessed me with by giving me you. Nakakapagod magmahal at masaktan. Pero when I was with you, I started being with you. Ang sarap-sarap palang magmahal. Araw-araw. Na araw-araw hindi natin nakakalimutan there's something to laugh about. So I promise you, I may not be always, 100%, my 100%, but I'll always be your partner. Hindi ko mabibigay lahat, hindi man, but I will be there, ano man ang sitwasyon natin. Yun nga, mag-away man tayo, magbabati tayo. Walang iwanan, and forever talaga na, I can see myself doing that for the rest of my life. So I'm really thankful to have you. At sana hindi magbabago yun. I love you. Love you.
Okay lang yan.
Okay na. Conscious pala yung mga ganito. Pero,
Huwag na nating ulitin.
harapan.
Sorry.
Record mo ba? Record mo ba yan?
Practice pa lang yan.
Kasi meron pa mamaya.
Meron pa ba mamaya?
Yung sa mismong ceremony. Mini ceremony. Sa harap nila. Nakamay. Ay, naririnig nga pala tayo.
Mahap din na naman ito. Saglit
Oh.
lang.
Sa liwanag?